morning, everybody. Today's episode starts with a trip, well, a 2-hour drive to a junkyard.
Take right onto Oregon Avenue, then continue straight onto Cloverdale Road.
There's the GPS. 2-hour drive to a junkyard to get the new transmission for the MR2.
Straight onto Cloverdale
I
Road.
believe it's in a Solara. We'll see when we get there. Anyways, 2-hour drive. See you guys in a minute.
Quarter mile.
And we made it to the junkyard. We're going hunting for transmissions. Woo! We found it. What is it? It is a 98 Solara. Oh, they got the big, ain't that chrome Solara on the dash is factory? No way.
Oh, look at that.
That's
That
from the
would be
back of
ugly.
the car.
That'd be so tacky.
That must have been from the back somewhere. Oh, this one had a gold. This one had gold emblems.
Oh yeah.
Is that good? That means it's
Full
a.
package.
That means it's a luxury package, right? We are going to yank transmission out of this thing. It's mated to a 1MZ. Oh, it's shifting. How's it feel? Yeah, that shifter cable's loose.
For the most part, it feels like it works.
Yeah. Oh, it's definitely worth it, regardless of. Well,
Oh, yeah.
hopefully it works, but.
Yeah. Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. Looks like really close. I think it needs to come. Can you pry it away up there to try and drop the nose down? Sure. Very close. Pretty close. I think if it does make it way past there, I think it'll come out. That's it. It's out. You gonna start now? Yep. Okay, we're huffing it to the next car.
Shit's about to fall off.
Shit's about to fall. Our makeshift cart. Hoofing it.
Hoofing it. Oh.
Yep. Old 300.
We're running our dead road in our auction right now.
Oh.
Yeah. This is that white one. On the right.
On the right, there it is. Another Solara. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is lower model. We got cloth seats.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what we got here. 99.
99.
06 of 99. So I might actually get 1,000. This looks way nicer.
Another 1MZ.
Yeah.
Yeah, really clean. The engine, I saw the engine, but I was like, oh dang. Yeah.
Yeah, this might be the nicer one.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. This one doesn't look like it's been messed with.
Nope.
Okay, sweet. We'll start pulling.
Yep. Yeah, it's up.
All right, we think we got all the bolts out of this one. This is our second one.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Who does number 2
I was
work
gonna
for?
All right, so let's pry this sucker out, see what happens. We got the second one out. Now all we're doing is working on the shifter cables, and we are done at the junkyard. And it's only like probably a little after noon. All right, we got 2 transmissions, whole bunch of tools, 2 sets of axles, 2 sets of shifter cables,
And a partridge and a pear tree.
and we got a long walk, as you can see. But we're gonna double team it,
Switch arms.
and we're walking. We're walking. Got right. We're going up the hill. All right, it's the next day. We got all this stuff back home. I'm gonna get it out, throw it up by the MR2 for when we're ready, which is gonna be pretty soon, to start working on this thing again. Yeah, get this thing back in action. All right, Kitty's here, and we are working on transmissions. We got them out of the junkyard, and here they are. We're gonna pressure wash them. We're gonna drag them inside. We're gonna pull them apart. We're gonna weld the diffs. We're gonna get it all back together. Bam, that's it. Bam, stay tuned. All right, so we just popped the diff out, and we realized this thing has a crap load of bolts in it. We were just laughing.
Fairly a lot easier than
it was pretty easy. All we did was just take the bolts out of the case, split the case. Going back together it might be a little more tough, but that's pretty much it. We popped it out of there. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna split this thing apart, and we're gonna see how we're gonna go about welding up these spider gears. Okay. Oh, I didn't take anything to take that apart. Ooh. Perfect. All right, so there's a shim in here.
We're recording again.
We are.
Oh.
Yeah. There's a shim in here. We'll leave that there, and I think we'll probably weld it up in this side. But we're gonna have to take it all apart, clean it really good, and then we'll probably like tack it together, and then pull the whole thing
plates.
out. Yeah.
And weld them in.
Yeah.
Weld in the plates.
Weld in the plates. That. This guy with the 4 gears.
Easy.
Boop, boop, boop.
Jeez.
Boop. I'll just throw these around. You're crazy, man. You're crazy. And a shim on this side.
And a shim on that side. Shim on both sides.
Shim on both sides. Gears.
And the shit inside.
And the stuff inside of it.
Got it. Easy.
Gonna clean this stuff up. Alright, so we got all of our parts cleaned up. And we're gonna start with our first spacer and our gear, and then our spider gears on the shaft, which I did not clean up apparently. Okay, so basically we set it up just like that, and we'll come in here and we'll TIG weld, we'll spot weld a couple spots, and then we will pull the assembly apart over, and we'll have to flip it because we'll have to get the other gear, and then we'll come in and we'll make little plates or something and fill in the holes.
Yep.
Okay, I think that's it right there. Boom.
Unit out of there.
Oh no.
Yeah?
Welded.
Oh no.
Yep.
Rookie.
Dang it. That kind of money for a box?
Look at that. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Not going anywhere.
We got
Oh
spatter.
yeah, we got spatter.
Dang it.
We got some spatters.
Yeah,
It's
these
alright, we'll clean
clean
them up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's it. It's welded up. It's looking ugly right now, but we'll clean it up and we will get it ready to go back in because it's got some spatter on some spots. But that's it. It is hot. It is toasty. Woo!
It's like a shock put ball.
I thought it was like kind of like that thing off of Star Wars.
Oh yeah.
You know, the ball that spins around and shoots lasers. Jamming out over here. Gotta find a file.
David, do you have any tips for anyone welding a differential?
Don't make it look like this one.
No.
Look how ugly it is.
No, that's not.
Oh, yes. Put something in here to keep welding slag from getting in there.
Yeah, because now we're filing.
Now we're filing. That's fine. It'll be fine. So here it is. It's ugly, but it is a solid piece of metal.
Beautiful.
Yep.
A Lincoln locker.
Yep. Oh, it's a Miller locker.
A Miller locker.
Oh, we gotta put those washers back on. It doesn't even matter at this point. This thing's not gonna move at all in here.
It won't. Nope.
It will not
It's
rotate.
just a union now. It's a joint.
It's joined
It's
forever.
just connecting the tooth sides.
Yes. There's never been a more perfect union.
I agree.
Okay, so we got our washers in there. That fits in there. And then this guy, we got a washer there. And this guy fits on here.
Voila!
Voila. And then take a flipper and put the bolts in. All right, it's back together, and we are going to put this whole thing back together.
Slide this.
We gotta get this back in.
We gotta take the T-tents out of this one.
This goes this way. And she's gonna need just the slightest bit of coercion to get back into place.
Well,
And she needed a slight bit of coercion to get out of place.
It's true.
I'm trying to minimize. There it goes.
hey!
Okay, just need a little
It went under the one of the
angle of the
lips.
dangle.
Oh yeah, I can see why that's giving us so much resistance.
Because of that bend it has to go around a couple gears.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Alright. I'm going to time lapse. We're just going to time lapse this. This could take a little while to get stabbed in there right. We think we did it right. It is back together. It was a struggle.
12 times the charm.
Yep.
Or 15. Who knows?
Something like that. It was a struggle. It's definitely, you know, kind of the shortcut way. Oh, we got to do this one too.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. But we got it done.
Yeah. We learned some things.
Yeah. Hopefully the next one should go easier, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
Now that we know what to do, what to leave loose and what to
Yeah.
tighten and... Alright, that's 2 transmissions with welded diffs ready to go in the cars.
Successfully deassembled and reassembled.
Yep, it is the next morning if you can't tell. We struggled and struggled last night. It was just a pain in the butt, and I don't know if I recommend doing it this way, but it's probably saved a lot from taking the rest of the transmission apart.
It would have been almost impossible if it wasn't 2 of us.
Yeah, oh yeah. Definitely a 2-man job to get those, to get everything lined up. And one of the main problems is the shifter. Some sort of shifter linkage in here. You got to get it all lined up. You got to get a couple bolts in. It's a huge pain. Not recommended, But it worked out for us. And now we're gonna have 2 MR2s with lock differentials.
Locked differentials.
So we're gonna call it on that for this episode. Woo! Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.